Hi, I'm Tom. I just got done skiing the all-new Blizzard Cochise 106. At 106 underfoot, this is definitely aimed at your all-mountain skier, somebody who wants to be off trail. But unlike Cochises of the past, where you really had to be the best skier on the hill to get what you wanted out of the ski, it's a much more manageable version of a Cochise. Really solid advanced skier up through your expert level skier is going to be real happy on this thing. On firmer snow, it does great, gets up, holds an edge real well. But where it comes to life is kind of in variable snow, off the beaten trail. It makes up for a lot of your flaws. It'll hide a lot of your mistakes, but it's got a lot of power and a lot of control to it as well. So it's a ski that you can charge super, super hard on, but on those days where you might not be skiing your best, or end of the day where you're a little bit more tired, it's not going to destroy your legs like the old Cochise used to. It's a lot more approachable, a lot more versatile ski. Your advanced to expert level skier that wants an all mountain stick, it's a really good choice.